Hello and welcome to your very own, very special math class online with your teacher, Miss Caitlin. We're going to do math lesson number 3 today, addition with carrying plus 2-digit subtraction. Now, I know a lot of you know this stuff already, which is really helpful. Oh my gosh, look what I did with my hair. That is so weird. Okay, let's try that again. Still. I know that a lot of you already know how to do this. A lot of the beginning of the school year is review, and it's gonna make you feel so good that you can do it and you know it, all right? So let's start feeling good. And before we begin, you take your handy dandy pencil and you put your name and today's date at the top of the page. Today is September 16th. And my name is Miss Caitlin. What's yours? Oh, squeezed it in there right at the last second. Okay, so on the board, I have 1A, 1B, and 1F. These are the ones that I'm going to do together with you. Remember, every single equation must be answered before I see it. Okay, that's your work. All right, so on Monday, we reviewed the place values up to 1,000. Remember, there's the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place, and the thousands, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, special symbol, and thousands. Okay? Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Today, when we add up our ones place, if our answer has 2 digits, we're going to put the ones place digit in the ones column and the tens place digit up here carried over into the tens column. Okay, are you ready? Can you do it? I think you're ready. Let's go. The first equation on your page in section 1, 1A says 13 plus 27. I want you to find that right now and put your finger on it. 13 plus 27. We split the equation between the place values, okay? We're going to do the ones place first and then the tens place. 3 plus 7 equals... You can say it, go ahead. 3 plus 7 equals 10, very good. I put my 0 in the ones place and I carry that 1 up top and put a little plus symbol. Now we add up our tens place value. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 is 4. The answer is 40. 40. Let's move on to 1B. Here we go. Remember, we see the individual groups of the different values, right? Okay? We have our ones place value and our tens place value. We're adding 24 and 38. So we add our ones first. 4 plus 8 equals 12, that's 2 digits. So we put the digit in the ones place, in the ones group. That's 2. And then we carry the digit in the tens place on top of the tens group. Now we have 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. 24 plus 38 equals 62. Now, I'm going to jump all the way over to 1F. Okay, here we go for 1F. How many place values do you see? means we're working with numbers in the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. So if we have to carry over in this last one, we're going to get an answer in the thousands, which means we need a very special symbol right here called the comma. Okay. Rimashai. Here we go. 2 plus 8 equals 10. I place my 0 in my ones, and I carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. And 5 plus 7 is 12. I carry that 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 4 plus 6 is 10. I have a ones place value, a tens place value, a hundreds place value, and a thousand. I count over 1, 2, 3, and place my comma. 342 plus 678 equals 1,020. Whenever we read a number out loud, the zero's in the middle. You say a special word named and. 1,020. That special word and means 0. Okay. Section number 2, you're going to do on your own. That's independent practice of addition. And now, section 3 and 4. I'd like to do section 3 with you. I've written it on the board with my handy dandy purple pen. Can you tell that it's purple? Maybe. Maybe. All right, so the directions say to mark the 0 under the number that has 3 hundreds and 8 tens. So take a look at our place value chart, okay? You want a number 3 in 3 over, and you want an 8 in that second place, okay? So, ones, tens, hundreds. Is there a 300 there? No. Ones, tens, hundreds. There's a 3 in the hundreds. And how about, is there an 8 in the tens? No. Ones, tens, hundreds. No 3. Ones, tens, hundreds. There's a 3. And then let's go back into the tens. There's an 8. That's the one we want. So we fill that friend in. Okay? I'm going to write section 4 now. With my eraser. Here we go. Did everybody mark under the 380? That's 300s and 8 tens. That's the one you want, okay? Isn't that just so magical? My gosh, how special. I think whiteboards are amazing. I think chalkboards and whiteboards are amazing. Okay, number 4. Mark the circle under the number that has 500s and 7 ones. So this is number 4, 570. Ooh, this is a big one. All right, so they want 500s and 7 ones. So let's count 3 over and look for a 5. 1, 2, 3, that's the hundreds place. And there is a 5, and now they want a number 7 in the ones place. So it's just 1 over. Oh, that's a 0. We don't want that one. 1, 2, 3. No 5, we don't want that. 1, 2, 3. There's a 5 in the hundreds, and now they want a 7 in the ones. This is the ones place. There's a 7. Yes, that's the one we want. How about this big dude? 50,007. Oh my gosh, remember how I said the special word and means 0? 50,007. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Turning to the back side, we're going to work on 2-digit subtraction. So again, like we were doing here, we were splitting between the ones place and the tens place. Splitting between the ones place and the tens place, okay? We're going to do it again with subtraction, all right? Goodbye. 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 All right. Looks like I'm going to do 5A, B, and C with you. Oopsies. Eraser. Okay. So, we split between the different place values and we work one place value at a time. Start small, then get bigger, right? Start small, then get bigger. Just like the gospel. Jesus started with a small group of people and then they multiplied into thousands upon thousands upon thousands upon thousands upon millions of believers. Isn't that cool? He started with just 12. And now there's millions of people who know that Jesus is Lord. Booyah! Okay. I like that. I think that's exciting. Okay. I'm going to try and find a bright pen. Let's see if you can see this. I want to split between the two place values. Can you see that? Almost. I'm splitting between the ones and the tens, and I work each part individually. Okay? 5 minus 3 equals, I hope you said 2. And 9 minus 5 equals, I hope you said 4, because that's correct. 5 minus 3 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, therefore 95 minus 53 is 42. Here we go. Splitting between the different place values. Beep, bop, boop, beep, bop, boop. I split between the tens and the ones. Can you see it? Oh my gosh, you can see it now. That's nice. Okay. Thank you, Orange. Today's lesson is brought to you by the letter K and the color orange. Letter K from Miss Caitlin. Okay. 6 minus 5 equals 1. And 7 minus 1, 8. Oh, oh my gosh, Miss Caitlin just made a mistake. Thank goodness I caught it before writing it down. I've done that before. I recorded an entire video with a really big mistake and then I had to go back and in the comments write, oh no, I'm wrong. But you know what? I am Miss Caitlin. I'm not Jesus. So I'm gonna make mistakes. And then when I do, I need to ask for forgiveness. I'm sorry, will you please forgive me? Okay. 7 minus 1 is not 8. 7 minus 1 is 6. Whoa. 76 minus 15 equals 61. All right, this is the last one I'm doing with you. Then you must do the rest. Using my very bright, handy dandy orange. Splitting between the ones and the tens. I work each place value individually, starting small and growing larger, okay? Like the gospel. 5 minus 4 is 1. And 9 minus 7 is 2. 95 minus 74 is 21. 21. Now you need to do D, E, F, G on your own. You need to do section 6 on your own. You need to do section 7 on your own. And the brain booster on your own. We'll talk about the brain booster when you come to class on Friday, when you Zoom in or you small group in, okay? We'll talk about the brain booster then. Seems like a fun thing to do. Okay, so complete the front, please, and complete the back, please, and then bring it so I can check it, okay? And I can't wait to see you again. I love school. All right, I think that's all that I want to talk about because I've already talked to you about time. You can do it. I believe in you. You are equipped, you are empowered, you are anointed, you are given everything you need. The Lord would never give you a trial that you cannot stand under. He doesn't ever give you anything that you can't do. It may seem really hard, but He knows that you are able. He does not want you to fail. He wants you to prosper. He wants good things for you. Okay, that's it. That's my spiel for the day. I will catch you on the flip side.